Hey everybody, Eric from Greybeard Adventures, just out on my cottage lake, beautiful Lac Paquin, and the area is home to several lakes similar to ours, beautiful crystal clear blue waters. If you follow me on Instagram, I've posted some pictures there. It's absolutely a stunning lake. Today I'm just here to check out how good my new life jacket works. NRS is the brand. I'm not doing a product review, I'm just out here trying it out. I've always had those cheaper ones from, the big box stores or what have you. They do the trick, but they're not really comfortable when you're in a kayak. So you can see you've got your backrest here. And what I find with the other life jackets is it's got the full back on it, so you're always kind of feel like you're being pushed up in your seat, whereas this life jacket here has just got the half back. So far so good. Hopefully I never have to test out how well it keeps me afloat, but I'm sure it'll do a good job of that. I've got Jasper with me. He's following me on shore. I'll show you him in a minute. Other than that, let's check out the lake. Here's what I'm talking about, how crystal clear the water is. Just check that out. It's stunning. And the stuff you see down there, it's just beautiful. The rock formations, the fallen logs, the fish. Stunning. Jasper decided to come in for a swim, followed me out here. Sometimes he tries to jump into the kayak, which can be frustrating. This time he actually was quite good. Swam out to me and I told him to head back, and so he did. Hey buddy. No. You know you can't come in here. Stay out. Go back to shore. Well, that's what I was talking about. Well, now he's going to try on this side. Go. Maybe not. Keep swimming. Now he's got the right idea. A huge school of perch minnows. It's just so calm right now, it's beautiful. Look at this. Water is just like glass. Alright, check this out everybody. So I don't know if you've seen one of my winter videos, the Winter Wonderland. That was my first time spending a few nights at the cottage in the dead of winter. But I snowshoed on the lake and discovered a couple of two of these. I'll highlight it again, but this is all one tree. So you can see here, one giant trunk goes up on this one, goes up over here, continues over here, and then goes up on that as well. And of course then there's also this little stump here, and then this one wraps around that birch tree. So you've got 4 trees coming out of one. And here's Jasper coming to say hello. Hey buddy, how's it going? You impressed by the tree? pretty neat, eh? Yeah, there it is. The four-headed tree. Time for a rescue mission. A dragonfly there. Let's get him out. There you go. Alright, let's get him on the boat. Let's get him right side up actually, because he's upside down right now. Okay, hop off. And, oh, he's still upside down. I hate touching these things. Yeah, I'm a big chicken. Okay, I'll do it to save him. Come on, grab on, and flip over. And let go, please. Get off. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. He's in here somewhere. Oh, here. It's like a pine. Oh, there he is. Flipped over right side up. We'll just leave him like that. He can hopefully dry off and then fly away and stay off me. There he is. Safely aboard. Oh, here comes the spider. Oh, you scared the poor guy. I thought that was going to be a showdown. I'm glad it wasn't, but now I've got to fix our dragonfly up. Come on, grab on. That's all I've got. Tiny little thing. Oh, Jasper, no. Go. Go. Out. Go back to shore. He's jealous because I'm letting the dragonfly aboard. Eh? Okay, back to shore. There he goes. Good boy. All the way. Good. Now back to our passenger. There he is. Gonna dry off, hopefully, and then we'll, well, hopefully he just flies off on his own. There's not much more I can do. Dry off, little buddy. Go eat some mosquitoes. Hey everyone, so today is day 2 of paddling around Lac Paquin. I've got my daughter Tegan paddling with me today. She didn't want to come out yesterday, so it was just Jasper and I. Today it's Tegan and I. Jasper's on shore again, like he does. And we're just gonna go see what we can find. One of the other reasons I wanted to do this video was just to give you a quick update on my channel. So I know that makes it sound like I've got tons of followers, and I don't, but I do have a few people that check in regularly, and probably noticed I haven't done anything significant for a while other than uploading a few shorts. The reason for that being we've just been busy with other project stuff. We have a deck at home that's taken us 2 years to finish, and we bought a cottage during the pandemic, which is where I'm at now, but there's a lot of work to do here as well. So we're just trying to get on top of all these projects, and then I'll be out doing some more adventures. There's another one of these hydra trees. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 or 6 stumps all coming out of one trunk. So that one, that one, that one, that one for sure, and I believe those 2 little ones at the back as well. There's a whole bunch of fish under the rock ledge here.
Really?
Yeah, they all, as soon as I approached, they all kind of scooted under the ledge, but it's neat. Yeah. Check out this giant, the huge trunk on the pine over here, and the cedar. The pine especially though, it looks like it's, it kind of looks like a giant brontosaurus. You can see like its body right by Jasper there. Yeah, and then its neck goes way up.
Oh yeah.
See it?
That's weird.
We found Jurassic Park. This guy just landed on the boat. Whereas that guy I just saved from the water. Another one just like yesterday. The good news is the one from yesterday dried off and then flew off. So we saved a dragonfly, now he's out eating bugs. Our little friend has decided he'd rather be on my leg. And I'm fine with that. So he's gonna take a ride on me all the way back to the dock, and then I'll find him a nice spot to dry off. Oh, yeah, you're welcome. No problem. Oh, get that camera out of your face? Okay, I can do that. It's the bald eagle. We've only seen him on 2 occasions, and here he is. Amazing.